Ronan, I've brought who you seek.
Taldir, my sister. Would that there was time for a homecoming, but dire matters demand our attention.
Surely there is a moment for a reunion.
We feared that prophecy was leading us to disaster, but now I have found its form. You'll need to see it with your own eyes to understand.
This discovery will sway Kaya?
Perhaps if he was of reasonable mind. But he is a zealot. There's no telling how he will react.
We must risk it. We must all see that which disturbs you so.
And if Kaya still wants your head?
We will take measures. I have led our people to the brink of civil war defying this prophecy. If there's even a chance we can use what you found to open Kaya's eyes, I have to try.
It's over here, just ahead.
What is that in the ice?
This is it. The shadow in my vision.
A demon! It stirs! It's only a matter of time until it wakes!
Possible reason to seize the spear and slay it. We can banish the shadow together, but I need Taldir to preserve our unity. I've imprisoned enough warriors for supporting you as it is.
Continuing this war will surely awaken this creature. If you're set on staying this course, I must choose rebellion.
You choose treason. So be it.
Kaya won't give up. He fears losing Taldir will fracture his cause. But fighting him here will only wake the demon further.
Then we need to leave. There's a nearby Colossus gate that can get us away. What's that light?
Kaya is trying to stop us. We have to hurry.
I won't let you escape, Maka!
He has locked the gate with webway disruptors.
Maka, there is no escape while they stand.
Then we must destroy those disruptors.
When you act like we would never hear. The band, we are set loose, sisters. You invoke Maka. I'll brave the Lord.
Aya mentioned that he had taken a number of your supporters prisoner. I've learned that they're being held nearby. Since we're blocked from summoning reinforcements, it would be wise to let them invade themselves.
Joyous battle abound.
They flee Kaya's cause. Killed!
I see my I remain! We they no death by our cry!
We have brought this harvest of
To
souls!
war! They march on us!
We can finish
Cut
what
down
we started!
each and
The
every one!
spear can deliver us from more than just this demon!
You still trust the spear to be an instrument of good.
I expect the spear to be an instrument of power!
The vermin! Grace with ferocity! It shall be done. Die!
The disruptors are shielded. Clear a path. I'll strike it down myself. A ruined Wraith Knight. Were it intact?
Roland and I could pilot it, as only twin souls can.
Sister, You have fought and paid dearly enough as it is.
Take me to the next disruptor.
We go to war.
I have enough for another blast.
3 bindings hold the beast.
Fight for my
But if
people.
one
Don't
should
try to get the
fail,
bird.
noted, so will they all.
This the best course.
The ice binds his form, while the ancient Eldar enchantments bind his spirit.
Shall I? It
And
is
the
for me
third
to guide
binding,
us.
it is not
On
as
the head
if
of this action.
Onward!
The destroyer wins!
My spear is yours.
They know
Time to cut their threads. They defied us. It is ended. They attack
this machine
I
fall!
see my taking it.
Join the fire, sisters!
Trust me, no one.
Let's all answer on challenge our blades! It is done! Strike swiftly, sisters!
On a harrowing journey, I will dispatch the traitors.
I will see you dead!
Think of it no more!
The enemy is retreating now!
On your knees, Jessica.
Onward! Target kill! Our blades thirst!
We are with you, Mapper of the Attack!
Realities.
What a contrivance!
Fate setting out.
Yes, sisters, we venture
I
forth.
have the best course. I concur.
Some the Banshee Shrine pays.
We are of one mind. We must die.
Wicked reckless! I go!
I see how my spear
Moving now!
Trust in no other.
To triumph! Our fate is not death! Our blades are sheathed. To the attack!
You invoke that attacking.
That final future!
Moving on to the next kill! Dark death! You had your chance to surrender! Die! Cut down!
Rewards no more!
Direct my death will be delivered! Your blade
You invoke that dying to shatter and burn.
Yes, they know death!
Letting that final
Just
Carry our blades!
fate favors us.
And rest of the world!
Kindred! Ice your heart! For there are more Eldar yet to kill!
I see my back smash the foundation.
To support them!
Target eliminated!
This Wraith Knight can be restored.
You would still force us to fight as that thing?
I need to end this battle quickly, Ronan.
Else the demon draw power from this conflict.
You've squandered your chance for mercy, Maka!
Burnsingers, mend these generators and restore power to the Wraith Knight. We can hold Kaya off until it's ready.
Our webway assembly shall attain Tier 3.
Shall return it to fine function.
Awaiting your instinct. It will be ours. Onward. We will secure it.
We serve we will secure
Yes,
it.
it will be ours.
I can hear you. Let it be so, then. Yes, we are set loose, sisters.
It is done as you wished.
The threads of fate are tangled. It is for me to guide us.
We shall appear
Shall much turn on this action. I see one.
Light enemy contact.
I can hear you.
Southwest of your position.
It's time to cut their threads.
To defy me is to kneel before the
They target our listening shrine.
joyous battle abounds.
My spear
Target
is yours.
eliminated. Brave the fire, sisters! We fight for
The
you!
listening shrine is in peril.
Let us attacking! We fight for you!
Late, not in. Attacking! Stand aside or be swept
Iron
away.
Man, cut it apart!
Assemble.
Tier 3 has been attained.
Ready. We'll journey.
Thank you, Farseer. You have our blades.
Give us no promise.
Enemy force met. Southwest of your position.
We've taken our time.
I have a grab. I will lead my people.
Tally of dead soldiers, I hear you! Another call. Go! Onward! Aye, then!
Direct my blade!
Find a worthy target for our
Banshee Shrine, let it be so.
Go ahead. It will be I'm taking heavy cover.
King smiles on us. We claim all we see.
What path am I to follow? On my way.
Let us be grand order received. A grand day, this. Complete. We will secure it. Ready here.
They target our listening shrine.
What do you have in mind? Advancing to cover.
A worthy death for a defiant kin.
A power generator is complete. A listening shrine is in peril.
Go ahead. Very well then. Eager for new action. Sisters, we sisters, we go to war, my sisters.
Let us begin the Wraith Knight's restoration. I will repair the shell, honoring Taldir with the colors of hearth and home.
Yes! Die!
Feast on plasma, wretches!
Think we're going to die!
You were wise to come for my people. No journey anywhere.
We have completed an upgrade. Light enemy force engaged.
We bone singers must mend these generators to
We are
restore the
disciple
Wraith
with
Knight.
deadly precision. The Banshee Shrine. To the attack! Shall no fear before death. Race through fire! Yes! Joy cut down! We everyone! Strike swiftly, sisters! Speak! Brave the fire, sisters! We to war! Direct, we go to die!
They target our listening shrine.
We bone singers must mend these generators to restore the Wraith Knight.
Tally of dead soldiers!
You shame your crush!
Trusted no other. A wreck, as requested. Go forth to infinity. You invoke Maka.
To die before me is...
Can we enlighten them?
We bone singers must mend these generators to restore the Wraith Knight.
Feast of your position.
Trusted no iron.
On the prey!
A listening shrine is in peril.
Carry to cut them.
You vile creatures dare!
We shall kill quickly, kid!
Tally ever brew!
They target our
We bone singers must mend these generators to restore the Wraith Knight.
I shall lend my homage.
upgrade. Light enemy force engaged. East of your position.
My sail ready out.
Amos, at your Wraith Guard, journey forth.
You invoke. See how this ends.
I shall shake this place.
Come on, no foe shall stop us. Our Lord, we've taken our tide.
Onward with ferocity! Our blades thirst! Die! Wait, moving now!
Heavy enemy force engaged. Northeast of your position.
Join us back abound.
I shall show significant service. Let them fear our coming. I am ground into his power. We are prepared. We shall not tire in our march.
Come on, Farseer. The Wraith Knight endures attack.
We're under attack! So classy!
Is your command? Else what we strike.
Show us our targets.
I am my people's vengeance.
The upgrade is done.
What do you need? I will reshape the Ghost Glaive into a weapon more befitting the soul of a Farseer.
Brother, if he is not stopped, Kaya will bring great sorrow
I will
to our
craft
people.
it, and craft it well.
Decrepit Wraith Knight really shows. No final rest. Just no war.
The Banshee Tide!
Yes, not yet. Their death is decreed by
That
fate.
is what fate
I see a harrowing journey.
I am my people's vengeance.
Our elite warriors await your summons. You need but pay the price.
I am returned from the ages to lead you to war. With haste!
I feel nothing.
Light enemy force engaged. North of your position.
Victory ahead! Infantry kill! Each one of no simple kill!
A requisition generator is under fire.
We have won this harvest of souls.
Stand on the wrong side, cousin! The sound of war is a surge! Let I strike with fury! Go forth and return blooded!
Soar, my spirit.
Most fortunate shall fall dead from fear! I am the spirit of war!
My spear is yours.
Gets his just reward.
I will mend the fractured core so that power might again cycle within it.
Are ill spent. I truly return to kill my own kin. We have killed the enemy.
Less of them and ready the craft well! The riches!
To me, my aid. My spear thinks of their doom.
Upgrade
destiny.
Don't bow with me! Those who will hold me may quake at the sight.
I am your red blades depart. Yes, is you not? We embark for vengeance. Direct me.
Light enemy contact.
We are disciples of James R.
The reaper always gets his just reward. Conquered!
Fire to the attack! Farseer, the Wraith Knight endures attack.
Power generator complete.
Explosive!
We have lost an infantry squad.
Eliminated.
Your command.
It is done. Ronan, Taldir, will you fight?
I cannot.
Lay down your arms.
But it is time.
Kaya used me to set this disaster in motion.
Let us battle!
I will be your sword to stop it.
Something is amiss.
Requisition generator under attack.
Your prophet finds you wanting.
Completed here!
The prophet has abandoned
Ready
us.
here! Commencing it!
Is Mako right?
Taldir, use your scatter shield!
Yes, you'd reflect the disruptor upon itself.
Direct find a worthy target.
Bring up into ground, no more. To battle!
I have no mercy remaining.
Justice shall honor.
Avengers must be merciless! It is ended!
The dead and the living work as Kaya leads you to oblivion.
No! Kaya was to lead us to the spear!
Then see it done.
Bringing Taldir down is the only way to free her from Maka's manipulations.
He has found a new life to shelter
I
in.
see my death is decreed by fate.
Attacking that rear. Feel the might of the witch blade. I go.
We cannot let Maka escape with the prophet.
Be
Let's destroy the Colossus Gate.
We are trapped if that gate falls!
We will stop him.
It must be my fate to comply, mustn't it? Shall I show the majesty of this form? We stride with purpose.
It is
consider it fated. Consider it done.
Release the storm's fury.
Moving now. This shape stands ready. Stride with purpose. Let us battle. We're in danger.
Warriors! Retreat through the Colossus Gate!
We are defeated. This time.
Do we know where the gate has taken us?
An adrift fragment of the vault. Away from Kaya, temporarily safe.
Kaya has abandoned the chase. He's wasted too much time on us. He'll make for the spear instead. A tall task made even harder by word that many warriors are abandoning his cause.
With his ranks depleted, can he still challenge the Orks and humans for the spear?
He will try, even if he cannot.
A cataclysmic defeat, even if there were no demon. The creature's shadow still blinds us from knowing the true prophecy. But Micah, Ronan, with you at my side, I think I can finally pierce it.
Jane Zar, put out a call to the warriors abandoning Kaya and assemble them for battle. While you do this, Taldir and I will divine the best future for us all. When it is found, we must be ready to seize it.